Right, the first one we're going to work on is the graduated wash. Now all that simply is to work from a dark colour all the way down to a light colour. So it gradually gets lighter as it comes down the page. So let's make a start on that now. Right, the first thing we need to do is wet the paper, so I'll do that first. When you stick masking tape down, by the way, make sure it's fully stuck down around the edge. You'll need to kind of tack it on just a little bit. It's only on by about 3 or 4 millimetres, that's all I've done there, all the way around. Just enough so that it doesn't lift when it gets wet. But you don't need to go too far into the paper, but just enough. You always find that when you wet the paper as well, it tends to kind of soak in very quickly. So it's best to kind of wet it more than once. I tend to go 2 or 3 times when I'm wetting the paper. Just give it a chance to soak in that little bit before you start putting some paint on there. It's like a sponge, you know, so it's gonna kind of soak in straight away, which it does, especially if it's a warm day as well. If you've got a warm day where you are, your paper will dry much quicker. And I think it's got a shine on there, it's not running. I think we're about right to go there. Okay, so let's give it a try. So this is the graduated wash. There's obviously 1 of 3 I'm going to be working on today for you. So we're going to start off with a fully loaded brush at the top, and as we work along this, we're going to work our way down. We'll have another loaded brush there, look. But as we come down, we can either add less water to the brush, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep coming down. Don't go back up. Keep coming down the paper. I'm just going to pick up the water off the paper now. I'm not going to load the brush back up. Let the water on the paper do the work for you. That's all I'm doing. Don't want to go back up. No, don't go back up there. All the way to the bottom. And that basically is a very straightforward graduated wash. That works quite well, doesn't it? Now as that dries, that'll blend in together quite well as well. I mean, you can do a neater job than that if you wanted to, but just as a quick demonstration, that's all it is. But the paint will kind of mingle around and dry as it goes and kind of soften down. Alright, so the next one we're working on is a variegated wash.